Well, the main accused in the attack on Saif Ali Khan has been arrested by the Mumbai police from Thane. Mumbai police also said that there is primary evidence to believe that the accused is a Bangladeshi national. He does not have valid Indian documents. There are some seizures also that indicate that he is a Bangladeshi national. The police have said that Mohammad Shariful Islam Shehzad had changed his name to Vijay Das after entering India to hide his Bangladeshi origins. He came to Mumbai 5 to 6 months ago and was staying in Mumbai for a few days, then in the vicinity of Mumbai, and was also working in a housekeeping agency. Well, January 16 was the first time he had entered Saif Ali Khan's house, and this was with the intention of theft. Well, the Mumbai police have also revealed that the accused who stabbed Saif Ali Khan at his residence had slept inside dense mangroves in Thane. And after the crime, he had taken a train from Bandra to Dadar, from where he walked to his Worli Koliwada residence. After seeing his image flashing on TV screens, he was scared and then he fled to Thane. Listen in.
एक आरोपी को उसमें अरेस्ट किया गया है। उस आरोपी का नाम मोहम्मद शरीफुल इस्लाम शहजाद है। मोहम्मद शरीफुल इस्लाम शहजाद, एज 30 इयर्स। अभी तक के इन्वेस्टिगेशन में ये समझ में आया है कि ये आरोपी चोरी के इरादे से उस घर में उसने एंटर किया था और उस समय पर ये इंसिडेंस हुआ था। इस एक्यूज को कोर्ट में पेश किया जाएगा और पुलिस कस्टडी की रिक्वेस्ट की जाएगी और उसके बाद आगे का इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया जाएगा। ये जो आरोपी है, यह आरोपी बांग्लादेशी ओरिजिन का है, ऐसा हमारा डाउट है। इसीलिए इस केस में एप्रोप्रिएट सेक्शंस की वाड़ की गई है और उस हिसाब से आगे का इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया जा रहा है।
किन सेक्शंस को पासपोर्ट एक्ट में या फिर
पासपोर्ट एक्ट के रेलेवेंट सेक्शंस में इसमें अप्लाई किए गए हैं। उसके डिटेल्स हम प्रेस नोट से आपसे शेयर कर रहे हैं। देयर इज अ प्राइमरी एविडेंस टू एंटिसिपेट दैट दिस अक्यूज्ड इज बांग्लादेशी। ही डजंट हैव इंडियन valid document, and there are some seizures which indicate that he is a Bangladeshi national.
Sir, had he gone to self-residence earlier? Was this the first time he had entered by accident?
As of now, we think that this is his first time entrance at that residence.
All right, so the police here are saying that it was his first time entering the residence of Saif Ali Khan, but did he do a recce? What more details have come out? Let's get all those details from my colleague Radhika, who's joining us from Khar police station. We also have my colleague Abira from the Leelavati hospital joining us on the broadcast here. Radhika, what more details are known about this attacker?
This attacker was arrested in the wee hours from Thane, as we've been reporting. Mohammad Shehzad, 30 years old, a Bangladeshi national, suspected to be living in India, living in Mumbai for the last 5 to 6 months on invalid documents. So no valid documents found on him. So therefore, those relevant sections will also be invoked. As to what really drove him to target Saif Ali Khan's residence, that's the big question. Mumbai police sources there telling us that he did not know this was Saif Ali Khan's residence. This is what he has told the cops so far. He may be lying, so we really have to wait till the end of the day or till he's produced before the court as to what his motive really was. Motive seems to be robbery. That's what primary evidence is pointing at. And he also said that he went inside Saif Ali Khan's residence through ducts as well as through staircase. Of course, there is CCTV evidence to prove that he did use the staircase for entry and exit of that particular building. And besides that, he also went on to say that he did not know this was a big star's residence. He wanted to carry out theft. He was in need of money, so which is why he conducted this operation. Of course, he held the entire family hostage for 30 minutes. He threatened them. He demanded rupees 1 crore. So all those details as to what really drove him there. Was he really not aware that this was Saif Ali Khan's residence? Is it more than meets the eye? Was it just a robbery bid or anything more? Did he know anybody from that building, any workers? Because he seems to have told the police that this was the first time that he was entering that particular building. But why that building? So that is the big question. Our police officials have been interrogating him for the last 6 to 7 hours. He will be produced before the court in just a bit, where more details could emerge, and there could be a sequence of events that could be narrated once again. A rehash of that could be done. A recreation of that crime scene could also happen along with the accused. So that is also likely today. But he will be produced before the court. Before that, he will be sent for a medical examination as well.
All right, we'll come back to you and get more details. Let's go across to Abira also. Let's get an update about Saif Ali Khan's health also, Abira. What is happening there? Has there been movement of family members who all have come since morning? And what about Saif Ali Khan's health?
We have seen family members coming in since morning. Right now inside we have Saif Ali Khan's mother, Sharmila Tagore. She has been coming in every day, every morning to be by her side of her son. We also have Soha Ali Khan.
All right, Abira, I'll just come back to you. We believe Radhika also has more information. Radhika, what is the update coming in?
The update that is coming in is that, in most likelihood, in a bit, this man will be taken out and taken to a court for remand. Police will be seeking maximum custody. Also, we are being given to understand that this man was initially traced to Worli, where he used to live, and then he was traced to Thane after, speaking to some of the people he was staying with, and then his location was traced to Thane. All this happened in a few hours last night till the wee hours of this morning. So that is the sequence of events as far as catching hold of this accused is concerned. But we also know that many other accused were also taken into custody, questioned, and then obviously let off and given a clean chit as they did not have evidence. But in this case, police say that they have strong evidence, in terms of how he carried out the attack. But we'll have to really wait for more details. Now the details that are emerging is, as I said, the accused telling the Mumbai police that he did not know it was Saif Ali Khan's residence. The objective was, robbery, and that he used the ducts and staircase and he had not visited the building before. But we will have to wait for some more time before more details emerge from the investigations.
Abira there. Abira, what is happening there outside the hospital? We believe Saif Ali Khan's family members have also been arriving, and who else is there with him at the moment?
Right now behind me I can see Soha Ali Khan standing right there. She has just come out. She has been there inside since morning. Even Sharmila Tagore, Saif Ali Khan's mother, is inside right now. Every morning Sharmila ji makes sure that she's here by his side. So every morning she's ritually makes sure she comes in. Right now Soha Ali Khan is standing right behind me with her husband. I think they are ready to leave right now. But only the doctors have strictly said that only family members are allowed to visit Saif Ali Khan time to time because he needs rest, and visitors have been asked not to come in because right now there are chances of infection. His wound near the spine is still healing, and there are chances of risk of infection, while the doctor has said that they have tried to make him walk and he can walk and there's no risk of paralysis at all. He's doing absolutely fine. He's stable. He's out of the ICU, as we all know. He's in a special room, but he needs maximum rest and he's on complete bed rest for at least a week. So we only see family members coming in and going out, no visitors allowed strictly.